Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, final lecture 43 Kissing Cranes or Connected Cranes. One piece of paper. In this case, origami's colored side is red and the other side is white. And no use of paste. It has to be done just by folding. Half size of square paper to start. Fold laterally at the midpoint, at the center line. Unfold and fold at midpoint from other lateral direction, making small square, and unfold and fold vertical at the center. Turn over the paper and fold vertical for the other side of paper to show the white. Now it will look like this. Then the colored side fold triangle for half size. And the other side do the same, but the white side will be shown. Now unfold and cut the half, but remain about 5 millimeter or 5 inch of an inch, 1/5 of an inch. Don't cut too thin, then it's very difficult. Okay, one side of square has 2 mountain folding and 1 valley folding. So you can fold into square naturally. Okay, the other side, do the same. And if it's not valley folding there, then you have to do it. From here, white side will be one crane, white crane, and red side will be red crane. So from here, all you need to do is to fold crane. Let's start working on white side to make 4 small triangles. And mark the line. And do the same for the red side as well. Fold 4 small triangles. As you can see, the connected area will have a lot of pressure. So if it's only 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters, then easy to break. So you have to have about 5 millimeters. And mark the line. And back to white. Unfold small triangles and make rhombus. If you are not sure what to do this, go back to lecture 42 and the back side as well. Now the red side. So when you do the kissing cranes or connected cranes, always the surface side and the back side in turn to do it. You cannot finish full. Now fold 4 small triangles for each colors. Do you remember that you have to leave some space between? Red side is done. Now the white side. Small triangles. Don't fold to the center. Leave some space. So both done. Now nakaware ori, one for tail and one for neck. Neck is going to be where connected to white. That's where kissing. Connecting point is head. So do nakaware wari once more. Work for the white side, neck and tail. For nakaware ori, and neck is where connected to red. Now we are getting very close to the end. Pull the foot of the wings. Don't pull too far. Okay, done. Please look at the supplement video, which will be more comprehensive. Okay, this is a supplement video for kissing cranes. Hi, lecture 43 is supplement video for kissing cranes. Use half size of square paper. Half size square paper. Rectangle paper. Rectangle papers. First, fold at the center laterally. 2 cranes will be made, and there will be no pasting. Okay. Unfold and fold vertical. Kissing each other. Okay, to make a square like this. At the center. First rectangle folding. And now fold rectangle. Then this time, one end. This side is going to be colored show side. The color. Rectangle at the center. Turn over the paper. And fold. Turn over the paper. And this rectangle at the half point of white. White crane. Unfold. Okay. Mountain folding. Fold triangle. And this side is going to be valley folding. And you have one end valley folding, and one is mountain and one is valley. Now use scissors. Okay, first use scissors the center area to cut the center line. Don't cut all. Leave about 5 millimeters. 1/5 of an inch. And you have to be careful not to, left side square has 2 mountain folding area. Now, so you can make a square. Familiar style to make a square. So this remainder side now have fold rectangle once again, and then 2 valley folding and 1 mountain folding. So each side you will need to fold. Now cranes. On the colored side and white side you have to fold crane. From here it's just going to review the crane. Mark crane. And start fold a small long triangle here. For small triangle. Fold the back side as well. So do 4 of them and fold here. Right here. This is actually marking lines so that the next move is easy. And now let's work for the colored side. Okay, now the colored side do the same. The sharp end is going to be where it is connected thinly. 4 small triangles. 4 of them, 4 small triangles. And fold top end to mark the line. Folding here is to help to mark the line. Okay, back to white. to open here, unfold two triangles and make one rhombus. Remember? Side of two small, yes, like this, triangles, and to make it one large long triangle, actually two triangles. The back side as well, to create rhombus. Like this. Okay, now go to the red side. For the orange side. Actually, red side. Open two triangles. And fold in and create rhombus. Back side as well. To make two long triangles. Actually, the entire thing itself looks like a rhombus. Okay, now on the divided side, to fold small triangle, long triangle, but don't go to the center, just leave some space in between. Rare case, do not fold at the center. Leave some space. And you have to do 4 of them. See, he's leaving some space there. So total 4 is done for the red side. Okay. Now work for the white. Do the same. Fold 4 small triangles. This divided side. Fold small long triangle. Don't go to the center, leave some space. 1, 2. If you go to the center, then it will collide each other. 3 and 4. And comes out 3. Not nice. Make sure to leave some space in between. Total 4 is done. Okay. This 2 connected area is going to be the head. Now doing nakawareori to fold nakawareori to make a neck and tail. Tail side. Remember, the opposite of neck is always the tail. Neck side. Because this is going to be a kissing crane. So this. And in this case, connected area is going to be the head. Neck and head. So do nakawareori here, which is connected to white. If it's not connected, so this is the tail. That's going to be the head, neck and head. No, this is the head and neck. And this side is going to be the tail. To raise it. Inside. Now all you need to do is open the wing. And so fold the foot of the wing. Don't pull the end of the wing, okay? Foot, okay. I don't want you to break, the wings at the very last minute. Okay, that's it. 2 cranes are kissing. And thank you very much for all of you. We really enjoyed. And good luck. See you soon. And let me thanks once again. We really thank you for attending this origami course, elementary course. Good luck finding job and enjoy Grandpa Tsukada from Grandpa Tsukada and Yoshi.